If you've seen our other videos, you'll already know kind of the appends and enrichment side that we offer, and the installation. So if you haven't checked out those videos, please go check them out. This one is just on showing the abilities we have to cleanse data using data prep APIs, things that just save time when we're looking at cleaning data. So today we have our data set in front of us. We're looking at how can we go ahead and clean this data set up when we have bad data or bad characters in our data set, as well as some of our other more advanced features, like how do we handle cities like this that have nicknames. We started here. These are much simpler than an append with the mapping process. It's much more like a sheets function or a Excel formula. So we always start with our Versium underscore, data prep. I'm going to clean first name, so I'm going to type in first. Just do clean name. Target our column, so we've got that in there. Then we got the helpful tooltip, and we can just target a field that we want to clean. So in this case, we'll clean that. And here, since we're using dummy data, we can run it in real time, and we get a clean data set. And we can just drag that down, run it across the API. You could do this for your full data if you wanted to. Since we did a more generic one with like the name, you can also bring it across, and it cleans all that information that you see over there. So we're even taking out the 3 here, and able to just convert those into just names we'd expect to see. One thing I do want to note is you'll see I did add titles or headers here. You don't pre-pop that. We're not going to add that, so it's good to just keep track of that while you're working. And again, these functions are active, so I always recommend replacing the values as you go along. So the next one we can do here as we move along our data set is clean email. We can clean phone. We can even go beyond that and do a lookup on these nicknames. So faster than the computer. So clean email, and just make sure you target it. It's nice because you can just choose it, so it doesn't matter the order of your data. You're just selecting the column, and then you can do the same thing as before. We'll also see, there's a phone number in there, how you can handle that. We're going to blank that out for you. So, you still have your original data in your column, and you can then clean that information up. That allows you to then identify whether things have data you don't want in there, like these phone numbers in an email column, and then you can look at whether you want to do an append. Cleaning the phones. One thing that's kind of interesting is action will actually help clean out fake phone numbers. So if you've ever seen in the movies, like the 555, this helps find that. You'll kind of identify if somebody's giving you a fake phone number. So it'll format that to a single phone. So you'll see we kind of clean these up. That's a fake phone number. That was an A. So it's not really helpful data. Now we want to go beyond that. We can go in here and look at, okay, we have these nicknames like Big Apple, City of Brotherly Love, Emerald City. So if we want to fix that data, called fix fuzzy location. So we can target the location that we want to fix. And this works for Sin City. Um, And this actually is a little different of an output than the others. So you want to pay attention on your headers after the fact. But we can target those, and that target field will then be a blank. And what it does is, so we took Big Apple, maybe New York, City of Brotherly Love, now Philly, Philadelphia, Emerald City, Seattle, Washington. So, this is taking a step beyond just like removing dirty data and giving you a cleaner look on your data set. If you ever want to check it out, the functions are listed under the menu, and you can scroll through. There is a lot. So there's a lot of use cases that you can unlock through these functions. So feel free to check it out. And as always, if you need, leave feedback, reach out. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if there's more we can provide, always happy to help. Thanks. Have a great day.